To Vidya Vaibhav Public School. The first topic here we are learning color wheel. This is for the month of August. So draw the rectangular in 2 by 2 like this. This is a pattern theme. We are going to do a primary, secondary and tertiary. So when it's coming to the primary colors, the base primary colors we are using here is a red color, red, yellow. You can mix the paint in a water and you can use it directly. Yellow and blue. So every time when you are using a new color, you should wash your brush and you should clean your brush and then you should use a next color. Otherwise color will mix. So now coming to the secondary color, it should be a mix of primary colors. So the first coat will be the red color and using a yellow color. A mix of red and yellow will be the orange. And next, yellow plus blue will be the green. It should be like one drop of yellow and one drop of blue, then only you can get a color of green. Then red and blue will give you a violet color. And then coming to tertiary color, first is orange, orangish red. It means red ratio will be the more in the mixture of orange. And the next is yellowish orange. It means yellow ratio will be more. So here we are working 2:1. The next, yes, no, yellowish orange, reddish orange. And now we are going to do a yellowish green. So it means a 2 ratio will be the yellow and 1 ratio will be the blue. So the next is bluish green. So the ratio here, blue will be more 2 and 1:2 will be the yellow. So this will be the reddish violet. So here I applied a violet color and red will be the 2 ratio, 2:1. So the next is bluish violet. So here a color wheel is ready. Using a primary colors, we created a secondary colors. Using a secondary colors, we did a tertiary color. So the second topic we are learning here, blending, merging. This is for the month of August. So draw one rectangular using a scale 2 by 10 and then again draw one square or a rectangular and draw the circle and other one more circle. So here we are going to use a technique of blending and merging with the two colors. So the first color I am using a blue color and the other color I am going to use a green. So you can see even I am giving in the blending a dark and light tone. You can see it start from dark tone to light tone. So if you are having a dark tone, use a mixture of water, 60% of water, you will get a light tone. So again here I am using a direct color, the green color, and using a brush, take a water in the tip of a brush. You can see it's now blending and merging the two colors. Yes, I used a water and I'm giving a blending now. And here we'll work for the circular motion. It should be look like a sphere, not like a circle, because with the light and shade. So here also I am working from left to right, it's a dart, and again when I am using a second color, the green color, again I am using the same technique. It should go like dark to light, and in between the two color, the blue and green should be blend very easily. Yes. So the other exercise will do a triangle or a rectangular and circle. It should be in the one composition. So now here the square will be the background and circle will be the foreground. So for the background I am going to use a green color. Here we are not going to give a two color blending or merging, but here what the technique we use like dark to light, the same way we are going to apply for the background and the foreground. For the background I used a green color. Now for the foreground it's a circle, I am going to use a blue color. Yes, this will be the final. The next topic we are going to learn is dry wet wash. This is for the month of August. So here I am going to draw a cupcake. And now a half I am going to do with the washing technique, wet technique, and the other half I am going to do a dry technique. So when coming to the wet technique, first you should apply water with a plain brush, a plain water. Then you are going to apply a brown color to the water. When you tap the brush with the color, it will start spread. So this is a wet wash technique. Okay, it should be spread where the water is there, the color will spread there. So don't leave your brushes drying soon. Yes, this is how a wet wash technique will looks. And then the other half we are going to do a dry wash. To get a cake color or a pinkish color, we should mix the color of red and a white. So when we mix red and a white, we'll get a pink color. So you can use some water and then try to smudge with other side. It means other direction and a angle. And use the red color directly for the cherry. Okay. Yeah. Now fourth topic we are going to learn is a geometrical design. This is for the month of August. And draw an elephant with very basic flat shape like this. How I am drawing. It's just freehand draw with using a geometrical shape. And draw the tail even with the geometrical polygon shape. Here we are going to do a merging with the two colors. One is black and white. So apply a black color and use a white color and try to smudge and blend If you feel your brush is too dry, use a water and smudge it evenly. Always don't merge from light to dark, merge always from dark to light. And same thing we should repeat for all the block. If you observe here properly, the tone I given like dark to light properly from left to right. So the same way you should repeat for all the blocks. So remember, you should blend and merge properly in between. And even for the tail, give one tone of black, the other side white, and merge properly in between. The next topic, fifth topic, here we are going to learn a earbud printing. This is for the month of August. So draw the outline of a peacock feather. Draw a outline of peacock feather. Now I am going to dip a earbud in a blue color. Please use watercolor only. And tap like this. Don't go like evenly, do it like randomly in the different place. The next row I am going to use a yellow color. Already blue color was there, so I am getting a green and yellow effect. Now I am going to use a light dark green, and possible I'll mix a little blue color, so it will give a bluish green. Yes, now we can see the blending very easily and neat. And using a blue color, I'll give a feather strokes like this. And I'll use a yellow color also, yellow and blue mixed, little greenish. And again blue if required. Give a randomly, don't make it more dry, little dry is enough. So after completing the stroke, it's look like this. We learnt a first topic, color wheel, primary, secondary and tertiary, blending and merging. We created a cupcake using a technique of dry and wet wash. So it's a fourth topic, geometrical design. We created an elephant using a technique of blending and merging. The fifth topic, we did a activity earbud printing using a earbud. Thank you.